Hello there techies, my name is Maleva Sauda and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we create a colored folder in SharePoint list or document library using PnP PowerShell. When you're in a document library or a list, when you click on new, you see a folder. When you click on folder, now we get 16 different colors to choose from. So when you create a folder, let's just say folder 1, you can select a color and click on create and it would create that folder into that color. You may want to logically segregate your folders with the different colors. This enables you to do that. In case if you would like to change the color of the folder, all you can do is just do the right click, folder color, and just change the color. So let me change this green to dark pink, and now you have a color change with the message. We will do exactly this using PnP PowerShell. We will create a folder and set the colors. So let's get going. So I'm in the Visual Studio Code and let's get going writing the PnP PowerShell. So very first thing what we're going to be doing is let's just import a module, import module, name PnP PowerShell. Okay, then let's connect to PnP Online. Let's specify the URL of the site and let's get the credentials as well. So credentials, get credentials. Let us first initialize some variables. So let's go ahead and define the doc.lib, and that's going to be Redux documents. Let's also specify the folder name that we would like to create. It's going to be folder 1, let's say, and then let us also specify the color that we would like to give, and let's give a color 6. The color range has to be between 0 to 15. Okay, so now that we have specified the document library, folder name, and color, let's start adding this. So add PnP folder. Let's provide a name of this folder as a folder name. Then under which folder we would like to create. So we would like to create directly under document library. So that's going to be simply a doc.lib. Now let's store this into the variable and let's call this a newly created folder, the folder itself. Now let's get this folder using get PnP list item. So get PnP list item. From which list? So we want to grab this from this document library. We also need to get the unique ID of the folder. So that's going to be this folder dot unique ID. Okay, that's how it is. So let's remove this. And we also need to store this. So let's call it a folder item. We have this now. Now then we have a handle on the folder item. It's now time to set this item. So set PnP list item. Okay, again let's specify the list. List is going to be the doc.lib. Now let's specify the identity of the folder that we want to work with. It's going to be the folder item dot ID. Okay, and then we would need to set the values. So the way we set here is @ opening bracket, closing bracket, specify the double quotes, underscore, color, hex. That's the way we specify the color, equals to, it's going to be the color. Okay, and that's it. Let's write in the host folder created with color successfully. Okay, let's go and execute this. Pass on the credentials. And we now see folder created with color successfully. So let's go and check. And we have folder 1 with the purple color. If you want, you can change the view. Let's create one more folder with a different color. Let's go for 10 and let's change it to 2. Hit execute. Okay, let's go and check. Hit refresh. And there we have it. We also have another folder with a different color. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you create a colored folder using PnP PowerShell in SharePoint Online List or the document library. Thank you so much for watching the video.